Mrs. Solis's class. Hello, guys. How have you been? I miss you a lot. But you know what? I got books for you, and I will be reading a book to you as we did it every morning. So I hope you enjoy all of these videos and you learn from these videos. So today, guys, I am going to read one of our favorite books, Elephant and Piggy. Remember them? So today, guys, we are going to read There is a Bird on Your Head. There is a bird on your head. There is. Listen, guys, today I can introduce a new word for you. Remember our snap words? So today, guys, with this book, you are going to learn a new snap word. There. There. So let me write it for you. Remember, we go to the top and we trace the letters. And the word for today is going to be there. There. Read it for me. There, 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 there. This is another new word for you today. There. With this book, we are going to practice there. So let me read it again. There is a bird on your head. Remember, when we read, we can use the PowerPoint. So let's start reading the book, okay? There is a bird on your head, and you see Elephant and Piggy. I'm sure you remember Elephant's name, and you're thinking about it. What's his name? That's correct. Say the name. Gerald. Yes, that's his name. Gerald. So there is a bird on your head. Who said that? Who said that? Ah, I know you say Piggy is saying that to Elephant. Okay, let's start the reading. Look, there's somebody around. You see Elephant and Piggy? They came out to spend time together because they are the best friends. They are best friends, and someone is coming. Someone is around. Ooh, who's that one? Who's that one? Yes, it is a bird, guys. It is a bird. Piggy! Piggy! What happened? Look, guys. Something is going on. The bird is on the top of Elephant's head. Oh my. Is something on my head? See what Piggy says. Yes. Read it, guys. Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. There is a bird on my head. One is saying something, and the other one is asking something. You see the question mark at the end of this sentence? Okay. No. Look, Gerald is not happy about it, knowing that he has a bird on his head. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Mm-mm. Now there are two birds on your head. You see the two birds? 1, 2. Oh, think about it, guys. How do you think Gerald is feeling having two birds on his head? Oh, no. He's very, very uncomfortable. What are two birds doing on my head? Piggy says, they are in love. Look at them. The two birds are in love. Oh my. Did you notice Gerald's face, guys? look at Gerald's face. The birds on my head are in love. They are love birds. Look at the pictures. Look at their faces. Look at the two birds on Gerald's head. Love birds. How do you know they are love birds? You see the question mark at the end of this sentence? Remember, question sentences end with a question mark, not with a period. They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures carefully. Oh my, that's very interesting. I wonder why the two birds are making a nest on Gerald's head. Do you have an answer? Think about it. Why do you think the two birds are making a nest on Gerald's head? Did you notice? Piggy is asking to herself, that's a good question. Why are they making a nest on my friend's head? How will two birds make a nest on my head? Piggy has no clue. You think Piggy has a clue? I am afraid to ask. Who said I am afraid to ask? Piggy or elephant? Who's afraid to ask? You said, yes, elephant. That's right. That's a good answer. Do I have an egg on my head? Let me repeat the question. Do I have an egg on my head? Who do you think asked that question? Piggy or elephant? You said right. Elephant. Elephant asked. Does he have one egg on his head? No. I know. I can hear your answer. 3 eggs, right? 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. You are very attentive. 1, 2. Well, Piggy got on the top of Gerald's trunk and she's counting the eggs. 1. Can you read it with me? 1, 2. Can you read it with me? 2. 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. Yes, you have 3 eggs on your head. How do you think elephant is feeling having 3 eggs on his head? Oh no, I don't want to even imagine. I do not want 3 eggs on my head, Gerald said. Then I have good news. Piggy has good news for him. Wow. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. What? The eggs are gone? No. They are hatching. What? They are hatching. Maybe Eileen, Irwin, Esteban, they are asking, hatching. What does it mean, Miss Solis? Hatch. Hatch means when the eggshell is broken. This is hatch. When the eggs get apart in 2 parts, they get apart to pieces. So this is hatch. Hatching. Hatching. Let me write it for you. It says the eggs are hatching. Watch me writing hatching. Hat. Hatching. 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 Okay? The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Read it. Hatching. Hatching. I know you're reading backwards, right? I hope you can do your best. But your parents can write it for you guys. Chip, chip, chip. They have hatched. Wow, they have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds in a nest. Oh, look at Gerald's face. Oh my goodness, he is not happy at all. But Piggy says, you also have 2 birds in 1 nest on your head. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Look at the pictures. Oh, Piggy is asking to Gerald, where do you want them? If you don't want them on your head, tell me, where do you want them? You want to hear Gerald's answer? You know Gerald. Gerald likes yelling. I want them somewhere else. Somewhere else. But not on his head. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Ask them. Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? Look at Gerald's eyes when he's asking, please, please, can you go somewhere else? And look at the birds. No problem. It worked. Bye. Bye. Ooh, they are going where? Somewhere else. Do you know somewhere else? Where are they going? Where is somewhere else? Where are they going? Who knows? Where are they going? Where the 3 babies and the 2 birds and the nest are going to? Tell me where? Maybe that could be right. That could be a right answer. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. No birds, no chicks, no nest on my head. Wonderful. Notice, guys, Gerald's faces. He's so happy. He's completely satisfied because they are not anymore on his head. Oh my God, you were right. Yes, they went to Piggy's head, and Piggy said, you are welcome. Oh yes, because Gerald said thank you. You are welcome. Guys, this is the end. Oh, I know. You want to tell me that you already found Pigeon. Where's Pigeon? Let me check. Oh, I know. I bet you found it before me. This is Pigeon. Okay, good job. So this is the end of the book. Bye-bye.